guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have an exclusive from Agora just in time for Mother's Day. So this is the ultimate skincare treat box. I'm so excited about it. So shall we go explore and see what we have inside the Agora skincare edition? Ooh, so let's have a look. So obviously we have a little thank you card. How to order from Agora? It's simple. Download the app on iOS. Unfortunately they don't have it on Android yet, and then just shop the edit you want and you get 50 free coins with every purchase. And in this edition we have the First Step cleanser tool from Magnitone London. This is a great beginner's skincare cleanser brush and for skincare enthusiasts, and Magnitone is such a renowned brand, so wow. And this is worth £40. Then we have the Grace and Stella foaming face wash, and let's have a look what it looks like. I'm so excited. I've never tried Grace and Stella, so this will be interesting. So that's what it looks like. It's like a little pump. Kylie does these, doesn't she? It kind of looks like the Kylie one, so that would be interesting. And then you get a sample of the Glamglow Glow Starter in shade Nude Glow. So it's as simple as this. So you get a whole selection for the perfect skincare routine. So all you have to do is pop the cleanser on a brush. Let me show you the formula. Look at that. It's fragrance free. It's fragrance free, sulfate free, and it has hyaluronic acid infused, so that'll be plumping. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Feels really nourishing, and wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see, probably more visible on the face. That's very interesting. So let's open this right up, and this is what it comes like. It comes in this beautiful box, ready to be gifted. Mine is in pink, but it's also available in white. I don't think you can choose the color though when you order your box. This is what the device looks like. This is the antimicrobial brush head. It will be easy to clean and will stop you from breaking out. And then this is the universal power button. And look at it in action. It's as simple as that. It's USB chargeable. This is the perfect beginner's cleansing tool for obviously beginners. If you're just starting out and you want to get into a cleansing routine, I advise to use this as a treatment. So don't use it every day, but maybe use it like once or twice a week. That's what I recommend, depending on how sensitive your skin is. And last but not least, we have the Glamglow Glow Starter in the shade Nude Glow. So let's have a look at that formula. Look at that. And I want to show you what it does. So it's a moisturizer, and look at that glow it leaves behind. Oh, and it smells absolutely divine, exactly like Glamglow products if you've tried them before. And look at that glow, that sun-kissed glow. It smells divine. So let's try it all out, and it's ready to be gifted, and at a bargain price of, yeah. So I'm going to show you how I use it and the results. So this is me before, no makeup, only a bit of lashes. So this is a 60-second treatment. And look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe what was on my face, and I wouldn't have been able to remove that without the cleansing tool. It makes the whole process so much easier. And look how clear and glowing my skin is. That is insane. But look at that grime. Ew. So anyway, look at that. And then you just wash that with water and soap, as it's waterproof. And then as a last step, you go in with the Glamglow Glow Starter Moisturiser. So I mean, how easy was that skincare routine? If you don't have one, this is a great place to start, and at a bargain price. I mean, look at my skin. I'm glowing, it looks healthy, I'm not wearing any makeup. Wow. So the Magnitone cleanser, all in all, it's actually not that bad considering it's a brush cleanser. It's quite gentle, which really surprised me. Very easy to use. It only takes 60 seconds to cleanse. So what more do you want? The Grace and Stella foaming face wash is absolutely lovely. I like how it leaves my skin supple and not dry, and it actually felt like slightly moisturized. And generally after I cleanse, it kind of feels dry, especially if I use a cleansing tool. But this was really good, and it was fragrance free. But this I definitely also would repurchase in a full size, because I mean, look at that natural glow. I look like I've been at the beach or something. It's like a little glow, and I look very moisturized, and I love the smell. It's like very sweet, creamy vanilla kind of scent, and look how moisturized my skin looks. So all in all, for me, it's a big thumbs up. Such a great addition at a convenient price, and the perfect gift. You only have this week to get your hands on it, so get yours now. So get it through my link, and that would help a girl out so much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more of these, let me know. To read more about the products, just click in the link below, which is on my website post review. And I love you so much, and look at my skin, makeup free. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you.